Welcome to our last part of the introduction to living our spirituality. We appreciate you listening and starting this journey together. This is a process of co-creation. While we have designed a framework for the process flow, your input, along with others, will be helping us adapt and reflect on the process as we move along. In each of the steps of the process that Josh reviewed, we have envisioned some of the elements of how we will ask you to participate, but we are likely to modify some plans based on the ideas we hear from you. After all, that's the key idea of this whole process. Remember, we cannot do this alone. We will provide you with the ways you can participate as individuals and as groups. The questions we pose in each of our process steps can be used in small group discussions on Zoom, as we did at our introductory Sunday discussion on May 2nd. We ask that you think about how you could spend some time in your ministry teams, parent and youth groups, and other affinity groups in the congregation to see how these conversations may inspire your activities and your sharing as a group. We have been excited about the enthusiastic response we've already received from the small group discussions and questions we posed at the introduction to living our spirituality on May 2nd. Many have already planted their spiritual tree on the community jam board based on Monica's reflection and invitation. And if you prefer to just tell us what tree you want to plant, you can do that by completing a Google form. A link to the form was sent with the announcement of this video introduction. You can also share your idea about Josh's reflection on what it means to be part of a beloved community in the same way. There's going to be a Google form, and you can either share your thoughts in words or with a visual image that expresses you. The message is, we want to hear from you in the way that works for you. As Reverend Adam said, this is a time to imagine how things could be different in our future. We all hope that can be so, and trust that we are empowered by imagining together. Thank you again for taking this first step with us.